Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Go to Canva. It is a very powerful tool where you can create your all branding elements. So if I want to create a logo here, just click on create a design and click logo. Here you will see an option YouTube channel logo with 800 by 800 pixels. So click on it. Alright, so you can just select a design from here as well, or you can create your own. Alright, so now we will go back to the elements and we will add a frame here. Just increase the size of it to cover the gray circle. And then drag and drop your elements inside this circle like this. So this will look more engaging actually. Like this and like this. You can create different logos for your story channel. So I really like these options here. You can just select any art of your choice. And these arts are really engaging. So I like this one the most. And then you can just edit your photo, or if you want any more effects, then you can just add those effects from here. You can just adjust its colors or contrast or brightness if you want. Alright, so finally we have created a logo for our channel, for our YouTube channel. You can download it from here very easily. Just click on download, click PNG and click on transparent background if you don't want this white background behind it. So you can just click on transparent background and download. Otherwise, you must have a version with the white background as well, because at some places you need to upload a logo with a white background. So you can just download both versions from here. PNG, then I'll just download it with a white background. So now I have the YouTube channel logo for my storytelling channel. Just go to the specific folder, rename these logos, just rename them with your YouTube channel name, Storyscape. Then just select this folder and collect all your data regarding to this channel in a same folder. Now go to branding and upload your logo here. Just select the logo with the transparent background and open it. This will give you an option to crop the logo. If you have created the logo in a very perfect size as we have created, so you will not need to just crop it anymore, and click on done. So now we have uploaded our logo successfully. Now you must have a video watermark. Just create a 150 into 150 pixels logo that you can just upload it here, and this will appear as your video watermark whenever you will upload a video to your channel. Resize this logo to 150 into 150 pixels. Just make a copy of this file, click on resize and type here 150 and 150 pixels, and now click on resize. Just check the size again. Now it is 150 into 150 pixels. Download it here with the transparent background. Click on download and click on upload. Select watermark and open. As this is just 150 pixels, then it will appear slightly blurry. Just click on done. Now you need to select where you want to display this watermark. In the end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. So I will select entire video. Now you can click on publish. You can just click on view channel button. So now you can see your YouTube channel logo has been updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.